Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install PHP script in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Hostinger H panel. From the hosting section, click on Manage. Then, from the left menu, choose the domain where you want to install the PHP script. Next, click on File Manager. Open the public_HTML folder, then click Upload at the top. Select File and choose your PHP script. Zip file from your computer, then click Open. Once the upload is complete, right-click on the zip file and select Extract. Give your folder a name and click Extract. Now open the extracted folder, press Ctrl+A to select all the files, then click on Move. Double-click the folder path until it shows public_HTML as the destination, and then click Move. This will transfer all your PHP files to the main public_HTML directory, which is your website's root folder. After the files have been moved, go back to your Hostinger dashboard and click on your domain link. You'll now see that your PHP website is live and working. If it's a simple PHP site, it will load instantly. But if it's a premium or advanced PHP script, you may see an installation page. In that case, just follow the on-screen setup by clicking Start Installation. The installer will guide you through the process. This usually includes entering your database name, username, password, and domain URL. Once the installation completes, your PHP script will be successfully set up on Hostinger. And that's it. So that is how you can install PHP script in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.